Hi guys, it's Michelle and I have little Nadia here and I haven't shown her for a while. So I thought she could model a little lovey I made. And so it's this cute little teddy bear I got from the Dollar Tree. And I crocheted this little granny square blanket with it and kind of crocheted a pacifier holder into it. And she has this Valentine pacifier I made from Zazzle. It says, "Let's be Valentines. You're a honey." So cute. And shows a little bee on a flower. I made that years ago. But you can find my Zazzle site on the description down below. So just wanted to show you sweet little Nadia. She's a little bit of a talkative mood today, but she's so sweet and content. Just love her. So thank you for watching. And remember guys, you're never too old for dolls. Bye.